Okay, thanks. Oh, wow. You're not supposed to be hearing that. What do I have? A hot mic here? Hot mic. That could be trouble, man. All right. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. All right. WXB. Welcome. Ooh, did I just miss the short? How many points did I lose on that short? God damn it. 10 points. All right. Is that an ascending channel, though? Oof. How do you short a ascending channel, though? Christopher Zazag, Jesse James in the house, WXB. Who else is here? Jazzy Jeff. Let's see. Structure. Mr. Structure himself in the house. From now on, you're going to be Structure. I wonder if you got that from the same channel that I used to watch back in the days when I used to trade options. All right, so we are in an ascending channel, huh? Let me take a look at this here. What we've got here. What we've got here is failure structure. Actually, that's a British accent. I think the guy's either British or Irish, one of the two. Narul Abzar, welcome to the stream. Welcome, everybody. Looks like I missed the entry up there. Now the question is, how much do I want to sacrifice here? Let's take a look at where we're at. 2370, 731. Man, we're going after all-time highs, huh? All right, let's be a little patient here. Gotta set up my charts here, so give me a second. I haven't even set up charts or anything. Where's my all-time high? Previous day high is at 684. All right, all-time high is 739 right now. And I should have shorted that. Oh. All right, it is what it is. Previous day close. The previous day close is at 684. All right, previous day high is at like it's 708. 708 was the session high. And today's low was at 410. All right, 410 was the low of the day. All right, I think we got it. Wow, we pushed up that much? Interesting. All right, Jesse James, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon to everyone on the other side of the ocean. Tom H. Siva Kumar, welcome to the stream. Thank you for tuning in. Christopher WXB, and I missed his damn short. All right, we'll wait for the test. Let's see what else. I think I got everybody. T Massive, blessings, sir. Thank you for tuning in. Happy Thursday, but technically the Friday for the Asia session traders. So happy Friday for you guys. Rob NQ, did you remember to buy low and sell high today? Oh, I scalped dirty NQ today. I woke up late, so I had to trade later in the afternoon. I scalped the hell out of it. Walked out with some nice green, but I did fall victim to the Tradeify outage around 3 p.m. Eastern, and I lost a few accounts. I had copy traded the most of them during the morning session and locked them in. And then I decided to come back around power hour, and I got stuck. I couldn't get out of a trade on Tradeify. So by the time I could get out, I did blow an account, or two actually. It is what it is. An eval, or evals. Viv for short, good evening. All right, what are we gonna do here? I want to short this, but how do you short an ascending channel? Can't go up forever, right? Right? Oh boy, can it go up forever is the question. Trying to short all-time highs tonight. I don't know if I could do that just yet. Bid for short, not NQ not looking nice at all, man. And it keeps pushing. That's why I'm like, do I really want to short? Play against the trend here? I honestly don't know. 742. I'm already 12 points. All right, let's see if we get a little push up. See if we get a test of 740 again. If it flushes here, well, I came in late. $740 would have been seven. Wow, bulls on parade today, huh? I'm looking at the charts. I didn't make it to the stream this morning. I woke up late after last night's stream, and then I had dad duties, but I did scalp the hell out of it afterwards. Some nasty trading with all that chop. I walked out in the green until I came back for power hour. I got stuck in a Tradeify outage. So I've emailed Apex and Take Profit Traders, so we'll see. We'll see if they save the day for me. But that was not fun. Well, I hope everyone had a great week. I hope everyone's in the green. Tomorrow, NFP, right? What do we have tomorrow? NFP, yeah. Tomorrow's a big day, 8:30 a.m. Tomorrow, I will not trade. Well, I don't have that many, but I won't trade any sim funded accounts tomorrow. I'm not touching the straight to funded tomorrow for NFP. I will trade in the morning, but I'm not messing with my sim funded. Chris Noof, what's up? How you doing, brother? All right, I'm going to have to wait for, what am I going to wait here? Oh, looks like that was the short. God damn it. Looks like a Bulls on parade today. Opportunity awaits using a short back to top of daily high. So you're targeting around 708. Let's see if we can get another push up. Test that 739 level. If not, I may have missed the short. Well, good evening. Happy Thursday. Happy Friday for the Asia session traders. Today's the last day of the trading week for you guys that trade Asia only. Matt, welcome to the stream. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everyone that's tuned in and supporting the channel and all that good stuff. Tomorrow, NFP size down. I don't trade my funded accounts for NFP, but I will trade in the morning. I'll trade a couple evals. Still behind on getting back all my sim funded accounts. Caught up with some straight to funded, but still got a couple weeks to go. Couple weeks of repair. Mr. Chris Noof, whereabouts in the world are you at? So I guess the big question is this going to be the setup for NFP tomorrow for all-time highs? Or are they going to flush this tomorrow? A little too suspicious how clean this bull move was today. A little too suspicious. Man, it looks like I came in a little late for that short. When do we have to wait for a test up there? All right, so tomorrow we have NFP, end of the week. Size down. It's Friday. And this hour, man, every time I hop on the stream, it's always slow price action. Let's take a look at ES. What's ES doing? Kind of the same thing. What's gold up to today? Ooh, gold's in a ascending, ugly ascending channel. Consolidation there. Almost tempted to long this bottom on that ascending channel. Boom. Oil. And how's our friend Nikki doing? All right, here we go. We're getting this pop. Let's see if we can test 740 again. Are we going to continue to push up there, or what's going to happen? Christopher taking that long. That's a nice entry. We've moved up about 20 points from the Globex Open. Is that right? Yeah. Not really, 15 points. Short this greasy pig. I'm waiting for a little further up and I'll try a short. Hoping we get a test again of this area, but technically we're in an ascending channel. But let's see how it plays out. Let's be a little patient. Bid for short is long in it. Let's go. Also, the chat account is available. It's a 300K. For any brave souls that want to take a stab at the 300K account for the chat, you guys can call it out, trade it. I bought a few, expecting some blowouts. Chris, in other words, it's for the chat for you guys to trade. You can call out the trade in the chat room, or if you want to hop on with voice or voice and audio, you can do that as well. You don't have to, it's just however you want. The only thing we ask is share the reason for the trade, your entry, the stop, and the TP, and we'll set it. Chris, you can do the screen as well if you want, or you can just do audio, or you can just do the chat. But it is for you guys. Have a little bit of fun taking some trades. Looks like Viv for short is catching some green here. Nicely done. Chris, yes, Tradeify. It's going to be literally another screen like this. You guys would not actually trade it. I'd get in trouble. You would call out the trade and I would actually take the trade for you. But that's the concept of the chat account. It's traded by you guys, the community. And if you guys get it to payout, divvy it up between anybody who took the trades. I'm not interested in the payout there. It's divvied up between whoever trades it. So yeah, you can call out the trade similar to what Jesse and I do when we're chatting via audio and video, or audio only, or just the chat. So feel free to hop on there. All right, let's see what we're going to do here. M. Schultz. I want like 47 contracts long. You're 47 contracts long? What's your TP? Oh, gosh, I get it. I get it. Wow, this thing keeps on pushing. She keeps on pushing. Megamind Taylor, smart man, no trades tonight, pre-NFP. Yeah, man, for NFP tomorrow, I don't trade my sim-funded accounts. I'll mess with some evals. I'll mess with some eval, with one eval tonight. But same here, I don't... NFP, I stay away. That's when the gambling behavior comes out. But we'll have a little bit of fun here tonight. Jesse James wanting to trade the are you wanting to trade the live account? Wow. Let me switch off of the disclaimer. Hold on. Let me switch screens real quick so I can get this ready. Duplicate. Okay, here's the chat account. Jesse, if you want to hop on audio or if you want to just call it, you can let me know. Whatever you want to do. I actually want to short this. The contrarian in me wants to short it. Why do I always want to go against the market? All right, we're gonna be a rebel tonight. How about that? Full ported Jesse. We can all meet in Dubai. All right, let me do something real quick so I can set it up so you guys get to see the balance on that one and everything. So, oh, but I can't. Hold on. How do I do? All right, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Let me switch here. Let me duplicate this. This is chat now. Okay. All right, here's the chat account. Can do all right. Boom. Here's the chat account. Now I gotta add. All right, it's got its own screen and everything now. We're good. So we'll keep tabs on it. I'll share the balances in Discord, and we can move on as you guys trade it. So I should move that one here. Give me 1 second again. Hold on, guys. All right, sweet. All right, I lost track of the chat. Let me see who else is here. Lemonhead, KP Trades. Who else is here? Jesse, with the 300K, you can trade 4 minis or the equivalent in micros, 40 micros. That's going to be the max. Otherwise, we'll see too many blowouts. So you can trade up to 4 minis or 40 micros. You can DCH. You can go all in with all 4 right off the bat, whatever you want to do. You do have to have a TP and you have to have a stop. That's the rule. And you got to tell the chat what you're thinking. So the chat gets a little educational component to it. Fair? And it's open to everybody. If you take a losing trade, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Part of the game. This market ain't moving. Doesn't matter where you take a trade, it ain't moving. But it is grinding up, I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Where is Mr. Nicolas Gomez, the man from Paris? Is he up in the branches? We're going to need him tonight. He's got the engagement questions. With this price action, we'll be doing a lot of talking tonight. Yeah, the rule for the 300K is 4 minis max all at once, or adding to a winner, adding to a loser. But your max is 4 minis or the equivalent, 40 micros. So you can trade it however you want. It's open to everybody. You can hop on audio if you want and kind of talk to everybody and explain your trade. It's not complicated to set up the audio. All you need really is if you can set up audio on Discord or Zoom or anything like that, we can set you up. Or you can keep it simple and just relay the trade in the chat. KP Trades, I saw last Friday's London high was never broke at 737 earlier this evening, hit perfectly and was good trade. Nice. Nicely done. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do here. Really want to short this. Really want to short this ascending bull trending to the upside move. The contrarian in me wants to short it. But I'll be a little patient. KT, so hard to short this market right now. Degenerate, yeah. It's only moving up. It's only been moving up since this morning, right? Clean bull run to the upside, clearly in an ascending channel, and I want to short it. Structure, Mr. Structure, good evening, sir. Jeff Welch, I already shorted it and trapped. Viv for short keeps bouncing off of my 20 EMA. All right. Viv is in a long. Now I want to short this. I'll wait a little bit. AP, that's the way I'm trying to read this. I just don't want to get trapped. I don't want to get trapped. All right, you only live once. Let's take a little stab at it. Let's take a little stab on this short. Let's go against the market. Let's go against this bull run. Let's go against all odds. The contrarian. Let's set a 45 where I got to put a stop on this. Where do I want my stop? Probably around 45. So right around here. Or maybe I'll add up there and just go crazy tonight for NFP. By the way, not trading any sim funded tonight or tomorrow. Messing with eval tonight. George Panos, what's up? Dan's Baby Dreams Gold. And you had some good call. I think it was you that had some good call outs last night on. Ooh. This was that channel to long right there. John, come on, full port. Hey, John, we got the account for the chat available. Nobody's taking a stab at it yet. Ibrahim, good to see you, man. Long time no see. John, nice. KP, yeah, those bulls are strong today. We're at the bottom of this channel. So in other words, if they don't flush this area right now, they're going to push this channel all the way back up to about 750. I'm not going to take the drawdown all the way up to 750, but I'll take the stab at the break of this channel and see if, yeah, they're holding that channel. That's the problem. You got longs entering right here. So we shall see how it plays out. Ibrahim is long 704. Oh, you got a nice little long there. 3 micros. Good for you. Can't break. Can't break this area, so it's going to pop. Ibrahim, nicely done, man. Good job. Yeah, they need to flush. Otherwise, they're going to respect this channel and pop it all the way up to around 745, 750. Bears got no power tonight. At least not yet. No, they can't flush this channel. Nope, they're popping it right back into the channel. They can't flush it here. We'll bring it back into the channel, and you got a pop potentially all the way up to 745, 750. Jesse is in a long. Yeah, this is the bottom of this channel. I'm taking a risky trade here, trying to play a breakout to the downside, but I'm not overstaying my welcome in an ascending move. Gonna give it 2 more minutes. It was supposed to be a break of a channel. Could be stronger than this. Otherwise, bears have no strength tonight. They can't break this channel. I'm not convinced. Bears, no strength tonight. Oh, shoot. Did I just add by accident? I tried to close. I wasn't convinced. Oh, boy. What did I just do here? I added by accident? Yeah. All right. The rule when you accidentally add is you release one. Why is my Tradeify not working today? Here we go. All right, I'm not messing with it. Should have been a quicker flush and it not messing with a ascending channel. What I should have done was enter with 2. Viv for short, I'll just take my little and go off to bed. Arish, is bull run over? Can we short? I wish I knew the answer to that. We're still in an ascending channel. I wouldn't say the bulls are done, but there could be a pullback to this. Leslie Emerson, Pajama Traders. Bid for short. Have a good night. If I see you in the morning, and if I don't see you in the morning, have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in and supporting the channel. Appreciate you. Ravi, good morning. Well, it looks like they are breaking that channel. I was hoping for a cleaner, quicker break and got out, not overstaying my welcome there, especially on a bull run to the upside. All right, they broke the channel. Should have stayed. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Ravi, yeah, I attempted to scalp it. I wouldn't call that a scalp just yet. It was more of a shaking out. Ravi, but you don't usually do scalping, right? Depends. Depends. Today I woke up late during the New York session and I scalped the hell out of it this morning as I came in afterwards. I was looking for a faster break, in other words, a flush. I didn't see it, so I got out. Things move a little differently during Asia. If I don't see the flush happening, then I'll just get out before it's the bottom of a channel and potentially bounces right back up, which is what's happening right now. KP, 4-hour needs its top wick. Yeah, I mean, I guess we really got to see if this is going to go back. Yeah, it is going to go back and test probably 740, the top of that channel is 750 at this point, 745, 750, which is why once I didn't see the break of that ascending channel, that's very risky to stay in that. Got out before potentially what's happening right now, which can rip right back up to 745, 750. Shorts, be aware. AP indeed. So now, potentially all the way up to 745, 750, the top of that channel. There it goes. That's why when you play a break of a channel, it has to happen quickly, otherwise you're getting caught in the trap. Die, what's up? Peter Chan, what's up? Die, I had a question. Did you blow some accounts this week? I got caught in a Tradeify issue today. Not this week. Today I blew 2 accounts messing with some evals. So I emailed Apex and Take Profit Trader with the Tradeify outage. But this week, other than that, good. Straight to funded accounts are doing well. I'm not trading straight to funded accounts tomorrow for NFP. Today I had a solid day, knock on wood. And tomorrow I'll trade the New York session, but I'm not touching. I don't trade. My rule is don't trade sim funded accounts for NFP. Peter Chan had work this morning, missed the open. Yeah, today was one of those nice directional days. I woke up late, so I came in a little, like almost half an hour, 45 minutes after the open, but I caught some nice scalps. Sunny, it must be down overnight. It can't keep going higher. It can't go higher and higher, right? That's the question. It can't go higher, right? And it keeps going higher. So the answer is it can go higher and higher. The question is, how high will it go? Ibrahim, that's what they said about gold too. Let's take a look at gold. Where is gold? Gold is playing this. I'm almost tempted to play this. NQ's in a little chop fest too, huh? No, I was just looking at the chart. All right, guys. So welcome to the stream. For anybody new, updates. We do have the chat account. It's a 300K eval, and that's going to be open for the chat for anybody to trade it. Anybody wants to take a stab at taking some trades, you can just let me know on the chat. It's got a rule, 4 minis or 40 micros. You can go all in on all 4. You can DCA till 4, up to 4, or you can add to a winning trade up to 4 minis or 40 micros. You do have to explain the trade, the entry, the stop loss, the TP. So the chat gets a little educational component to it, but it is open for the chat. Of course, I got to take the trades, otherwise I could get myself in trouble. But you can call them out. All right, NQ teasing the break of this channel that I was looking for. Didn't happen quick enough for me, but looks like now it's breaking out. Nicolas Gomez, the man from Paris. Bonjour. And there's the break that I was looking for. Nasty NQ. Don't do it when you want it to. Mami, prende la radio, enciende la tele. Oh, Nicolas. Oh, man. Actually, Nicolas, hold on for a second. I gotta send you something. Hold on. Well, there's the little flush that I was looking for. They didn't give it to me in the wave I wanted it. Shoulda, coulda, woulda doesn't count, though. Yeah, you got security in your messaging there, Nicolas. All right, let's see what we got here. Don't. Oh, what a flush! I just missed that. Yeah, that was the channel break I was looking for. Didn't happen quick enough, and NQ did what it does. McLovin's taking a short there. KP trades in a long again. VWAP, huh? VWAP touch. Ooh, VWAP bounce there. Got a clean VWAP bounce there, yeah. AP trades, that straight bottom ticked me out. Oh man, sorry to hear. I'm gonna wait a little bit. This VWAP bounce, but I may hop on a long as well. I mean, we're scalping this tonight. This is not. There's no levels here. There's nothing. You're just scalping this little channel here. Previous day high is down at 708. They haven't touched that yet during the overnight. They just bounced it though. I mean, we're talking 5-point bounces here. Oh man. And they bounced VWAP, huh? Drewski strategy tonight. Yeah. Yeah, I should have taken that VWAP bounce. God damn it. We're in a 10-point range. That's funny. Oh, man. We are in a 10-point range. Lovely. And looks like it's forming a descending channel here. Nope. Still wants to push a little more. Man, that was a nice VWAP bounce. Coulda, coulda, woulda. I guess this is the calm before the storm, and tomorrow with NFP. Schultz, this NQ needs to get to ramming. Yeah, man, it's we're literally in a 10-15 point range, back and forth, up and down, up and down. Bulls looks like they woke up here now. Hopping it. They going for a breakout here? They going for a breakout on 740? Next pivot point's all the way up at 780. Just in the middle though. It's like fiddling in the middle. Duran, this is a wild night. Yeah, don't expect, listen, it's pre-NFP. It's going to be choppy. Don't overstay your welcome. You stay too long, you're going to get ripped right back up or back down, depending on your entry. This is going to be choppy through tomorrow with NFP. Peter Chan is going to long at 35.5. How many points you going for, Peter? $40. I wonder if we should use Peter's trade for the first trade on the 300K. Let's go with 3 contracts. Three contracts? Why not? Let's try it. Hold on. Do 2. Come on, let's go for 3. All right, let me set this up real quick. All right, here's the 300K. Where's your entry, Peter? You want 2 contracts where? 730, 35.5. In other words, right now. Oh, I see what you're saying. And you're going long, right? 735.5. And we're going for 4 points or 3 points? How many points? Or 40? Let's do 40. How about that? Let's go 40. Where's our stop? Where's the stop, Peter? Manual stop? Or just let it go downtown? All right, this trade is brought to you by Mr. Peter Chan with his Heikinashi candle. I guess let's do it the right way. You trade Heikinashi, so let's see it in Heikinashi. Here we go. You guys should be seeing that. Okay, so we are in position on a long for 4 points. I know Peter watches the 5 minutes, so let's put this on the 5 minute. There we go. Good evening, everybody. Today's trade is brought to you by fellow YouTuber and trader, Mr. Peter Chan. 10-point stop, so 725 is the stop. And that would be sell, right? There we go. All right, today's trading or first trade for the 300K account is brought to you by Peter Chan. Peter can share the Heikinashi candle strategy with the 5 minute here. He's in the chat, and he'll be typing away. Again, this is open for everybody. Don't be afraid. If it's a losing trade, big deal. That's part of the game. AP trades in a long, 800 bucks on 3 cons. Nice. And NQ just froze. Like literally just froze. Five-minute MACD crossed. So Mr. Peter Chan is feeling confident about this for 4 points. Are we doing 4 points or 5 points? What did we decide? Oh, wait a minute. I set it a little to 39.75. Is that good for you? Or should we push 40? All right, let's do 40. There we go. Trade is set up. I hear you, Peter, man. I trade New York for a reason, because it moves. This we might have to wait an hour. But this is the chat account. It's a 300K open to anybody who wants to call out a trade. Let's make sure you go over the strategy, your stop, your take profit, and the reason for the trade. So people watching can get an educational side of it, see different strategies, different approaches. Peter Chan, it would have hit TP in a regular, hell yeah. This we gotta wait. That's why momentum traders struggle during Asia, because we need volatility. We need it to move. Corey McGardo, the bounce off VWAP was, yeah, that was a beautiful play. I mean, that was the cleanest VWAP bounce you can ask for. Oh, congratulations, Peter Chan with the first winning trade on the 300K account. Look at that. Let's close this stop. You guys saw it there, Peter Chan. Let's congratulations. Peter Chan opens it up with the first winning trade for the 300K. Look at that. He stepped up. Heikinashi's strategy, I've heard his play over and over again. He goes for those 3-4 points on the break of those 5-minute Heikinashi candles, and he does it over and over again. All right, there you go. You had a brave soul who took the first trade on the 300K account and pushed it up for you guys. That account is open for the chat, guys. I don't care if you win, you lose. The point is, let's give everybody who's watching different strategies, different approaches, maybe even help build some confidence for everybody else, and have a good time while this thing... JC, read my rationale. Okay, so hold on. Let's go back. I think I'm going to need the description, and we'll go over the trade. How about that, Peter? Just do a quick little note, and I'll sum it up. John, naked point of control above us. Peter Chan stepping up and taking the winning trade. Look at that. Told you we should have done 3. All right, well, that was Peter's Heikinashi 5-minute strategy. He does it over and over again. Trust me, I talk to the guy every day, and he's consistent with that strategy. So basically for Peter, the 2-minute and 5-minute MACD crossed, the 2-minute EMA crossed, and the 5-minute Heikinashi candles had no wick at the bottom. So going back to what we've been talking for a couple days now, you don't rely on one indicator, right? Or one indicator, one moving average, or you want to have a blend or multiple things fall into place for that trade. And in this case, for Peter, it's the 2-minute and the 5-minute MACD crossed, the 2-minute EMA crossed to the upside, and 5-minute Heikinashi candles had no wick at the bottom. So he felt confident. Educated guess. No. He does it consistently. Trust me. I talk to the man every day. All right, well, someone finally stepped up and took the first trade of the chat account. It's a 300K eval. The goal is for you guys to take some trades, take some stabs at it, and if you guys get it to payout, I'm not interested in that payout. That payout's for whoever, the group of traders that trade it. So this will bring a little excitement to the chat. That way, different people have different strategies, different approaches, different ways of reading the market. And we can see how far we get this 300, or you guys get this 300K account. You can call out the trades right in the chat. You want to hop on audio and chat about it, that's also available. All in One is asking EMA 9 or 18. Peter Chan, do you think my 10-point stop was okay? Well, let's just say you hit profit. A little aggressive. Where would we entered at 735, your stop was at 725. That's well within 3 to 1, right? Jesse James is, oh, you're in a long, Jesse, 760? We got to wait for Jesse also to take a stab at the chat account. And again, guys, it doesn't matter if you lose or no. It's the goal is to have the viewer see different styles, different approaches, different trading strategies. Oh, Jesse, my bad. I'm sorry. That was my fault. I think I missed reading it. That was my mistake, Jesse. I take the blame for that one. Cove Trader is in a trade, targeting 804. Yeah, that was my fault, Jesse. I completely missed that. Peter Chan, that was exciting. That was, especially since you got to pop up. You got a quick wick to it. That's even more exciting. It didn't just trail up to your TP. It literally wicked right to it, which is even sweeter. Brought more excitement to it. T Massive, give us that drop through 718 down to 700 or 691 for a bigger bounce. Uh, da, 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 da. Peter Chan telling us that's the power of Heikinashi and MACD. When the 5-minute Heikinashi candles do not have a wick at the bottom, it means the buy-in is solid. I like that. KP trade 716 possible before back up. Shopping NASDAQ. Shopping NASDAQ. Someone opened the valve. Ooh. Demond H, welcome to the stream. Thank you for subscribing. Peter, in average, how many times? I know you trade the New York Open. How many times in average do you take that trade on a typical New York session before you head to work? Three to five trades? Nice. I was bought right back up. And you can stop between 200 and 500 in profit. Nice. AP trades, yeah, man. This is Wickfest. It's only going to get worse. NFP tomorrow, brother. That's why I'm not messing with straight to funded accounts. I'll mess with evals, but tomorrow I'm not trading straight to funded. This is only the beginning of how it's going to be tomorrow. WCJ, I'm not even kidding. Wherever I enter a trade, yeah, because it's choppy. It's not giving continuation, and you overstay your welcome. It's gonna stab you right back the other way. That's what it's doing. I'll be right back, guys. I got dad duties, but I'll be back in like 5 minutes. All right, NASDAQ going nowhere. Going nowhere. It's been in a 20-point range for the last 2 hours. All right. Nicholas, I use my TV as an extra monitor to watch the stream. I used to do that at hotels. I would get Marriott brand hotels or chain hotels because they have the nice LG TVs and the little box. And whenever I traveled for work, I would use their TV as a monitor. Jamel Harris, welcome to the stream. And T. Cooper's got a good point. I bought those for travel. I have the portable monitors. Those are very cheap, like 90 bucks, I think. You can find, if you're really going cheap. Yeah, those portable monitors with laptops, you get a little hub, an HDMI hub. I would carry 2 portables, and if I needed to, I'd connect the TV at the hotel for 3 additional monitors on the road. Oh, you still have some. I'll be right back. So for those of you that trade with laptops or travel, these portables, lightweight. This would I would travel with these. Easy setup in a hotel. You got 2 extra monitors for a laptop type trading. All right, this thing ain't moving. This thing's going to stay in that 20-point range. That's right, because you and Jesse trade on Renko, so you guys really don't need extra monitors. You guys have everything pretty much built in. That's a pretty streamlined way of trading. All right, guys, this ain't moving tonight. I think I'm going to call it. I'll see you guys in the morning. NFP tomorrow, Friday. For those of you that trade Asia, this is your Friday night. So have a great weekend. T. Cooper, Asus Strix 18 with a pair of those 16-inch monitors using a pistol case for the bag. Love it. But yes, those monitors come in handy. They're cheap, and they don't even require a power cord if you have USB-C. VWAP right now for VWAP is at 716, 717, that area. Man, look at that wick. 10-point wick there, huh? All right, guys, that's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow for some NFP. Otherwise, for you, Jesse James, you still have the runner. Will it run? Well, I don't think the bears are picking up any traction yet, so I think you'll be fine. Lanny Bethy, thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. For those of you that only trade Asia, have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. And for the New York session traders, I'll see you guys in the morning. Last day of the week with crazy NFP. Have a great night. And I'll see you there tomorrow or on Monday. Have a great weekend.